So I found this at the store today. Frosted Flakes cereal flavored milk. Thought I'll give this a go. Still looks like regular milk. Really has no smell at all. It faintly tastes like when you drink the milk after you finish your bowl of Frosted Flakes and all the coating came off, but just barely. It hardly almost tastes like nothing. I hate to say it, but I don't recommend it.